In today's lesson, we're looking at Unit 1, Numbers, and the topic is Place Value and Value of Digits. We're looking at the learning outcome where you will be able to identify the value of digits based on its position in a number up to 7 digits. To begin our lesson, I want you to think of this question. How much is a million? Think about it. How much is a million? Now, I want you to listen carefully to a little story I want to share with you. How Much is a Million by David Schwartz and pictures by Stephen Kellogg. How much is a million? If 1 million kids climbed onto one another's shoulders, they would be taller than the tallest buildings, higher than the highest mountains, and farther up than airplanes can fly. If you wanted to count from 1 to 1 million, it would take you about 23 days. If a goldfish bowl were big enough for 1 million goldfish, it would be large enough to hold a whale. Boys and girls, this is what a million looks like. A number with 7 digits. In Standard 3, you're going to be learning numbers that are up to the millions place value. To be able to correctly identify the value of a digit in a number, a place value chart will help us. A place value chart is a table that shows places or positions of any digit in a given number. Place value is the value of each digit in a number. For example, the digit 3 in 539 represents 3 tens or 30. The value of the digit 3 in 539 is 30. In your learning packages, you will find this place value chart. Notice it goes up to the millions place value. This chart, like I mentioned earlier, will help us to identify the value of each digit in any number, and it will also help you to write numbers in different ways. Okay, boys and girls, here you have a number. Can someone read this number? This number is 2,465,357. Now let's identify the values of the digits in this number. Remember, boys and girls, a place value chart will help us to identify the value of each digit in any number given. So let's write the number in the place value chart. Now, what value is this digit here? The digit we are identifying is 5. What value does this 5 has? Be careful. There are 2 digits with the same number value, the same number. There are 2 5s. But we're looking at this 5 for right now. What value does this 5 has? The digit 5 is in the thousands place value. So in this number, there are 5 thousands. Therefore, the value of this digit 5 is 5,000. So to write the value of this digit, you take the digit itself, you write it down, and then you look to the right hand side. Count number of digits that are to the right hand side. Then you fill in that amount of zeros to the right hand side. So in this case there are 3 digits to the right of the digit 5, so we write 3 zeros. So this gives us the value of 5,000. Let us look at the other digit 5, the digit that is in the tens place value. This 5, as I said, is in the tens place value. So in this number there are 5 tens. So the value of 5 in this case is 50. Remember, how do I write the value? You take the digit of the number and then you fill in the digits to the right hand side with zeros. In this case there is only one digit, so you will only add 1 0. Let us look at another example. Look at the digit 2. What is the value of this digit? The digit 2 is in the millions place value. So in this number, there are 2 million. The value of this digit 2 is 2 million. Remember, to write the value, you write down the digit you are working with, and then you write zeros for all the digits to the right hand side. So we write down the 2, which is the digit we're working with in the millions place value, and we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. That will give us the value, which is 2 million. Okay, boys and girls, now you're going to try some on your own. Listen to the instructions. In your math notebooks, copy the numbers and write the value of the underlined digit in each number. Okay, this activity is in your Caribbean Primary Mathematics book level 4, activity C number 2. You will find it on page 9. Thank you for watching, boys and girls. See you next time in another math lesson.